In the traditional economy, barter system was prevalent, but in the modern economy, money has taken its place and it's become the most important factor of the economy. When money is so important, banks ought to become a very important place. In fact, banks are the place around which all the money revolves, whether it is depositing money, crediting money, withdrawal of money, or anything to do with money is actually done by the institution called bank. Now, banks are of many kinds. The first type of bank that we are going to see is the commercial bank, and as the name suggests, it is to do with the real banking in real terms, that is generating, creating money. The first thing that a commercial bank does is, you can deposit your money in the bank and it accepts that and also gives you loan as and when required. When you actually deposit your money, the bank gives you interest on that money, and when you take a loan, then you are supposed to be giving some kind of money to the bank. That is the interest that is being charged on the loan that you have taken from the bank. The bank also provides overdraft facility. That is, supposing a businessman has to do a deal suddenly of say X amount of money and he has little less than that, then the bank gives him that facility of overdrafting. Next is purchase and sale of shares and securities. You can go to the bank and buy the shares which are there in the market and also the kind of securities which are available, the schemes which are there in the banks which come under different headings. So, it is kind of a multitasking body which involves itself in many aspects of money. Next is, it finances not only the internal trade of India but also the foreign trade of India. Especially those involved in the foreign trade are being generously helped by the commercial banks. Then sometimes you need to carry lot of money while you are traveling, and it's not that easy. You are afraid that you could be stolen of that money. So the bank has come out with general facilities, like it provides with a traveler's check which you carry, and this is a kind of the money that you are carrying on just a piece of paper. Then the lockers are also provided by the bank, wherein you can deposit your valuables, where you can actually go and keep your valuables in the locker and they are safeguarded by the bank, for which you pay a small amount of fee to the commercial bank. Next is, of course, the commercial bank is doing a good job of creating credit by giving loans to the people. While the bank gives loan to the people, it is extracting some kind of money from the people in the form of interest. So, it is doing a wonderful job of money, as it is called in common terms. In the next clipping, I talk of the central bank and the RBI.